하나, 두 개.
어떤 맛이?
어?
It's been hard in America. It's been tough feeling sad. It's been hard in America. Never thought it'd get so bad. I wish that I had a big jet plane, fly the tears away. Maybe I'd find a river so wide, drift away all of the pain. But it seems there's more to do, there's more to love we've yet to find. Yeah, it's true, we may stumble through, but all we have is precious time. It's hard to see in America, sand thrown in your eyes. It's hard to speak in America, when every word creates divide. But it seems that we're all the same. We all need love and hope, a little grace. And yeah, it's true, it's so hard to do, to find it all right here in this place. It's hard to rest in America, the weight upon your chest. It's hard to stay here in America when it feels like there's nothing left.
Tenho esse mar todo pra olhar. Tenho as estrelas infinitas pra contar. Tenho o sol brilhando e os patos nadam em paz. Meus passos vão mostrando o prazer de observar as flores no caminho. É um agrado que Deus deu. Um dia após o outro, foi o que Ele prometeu. Pode crer, não preciso de você.
You were the top that eclipsed the moon. I was the one who arrived too soon. But no one would ever bet against us if they saw us exchanging glances. I was too busy to fall in love. You were too busy to break my heart. Nobody else was there to stop us. Nobody else is there to warn us. Now we go on and on with this poor love song we've been working on far too long, baby. Do you still remember when our hearts tuned up spontaneously? On and on like a marathon, we keep running from fighting for something. Something to remind us that we're better than this poor love song. Too busy watching the TV screen. Now we're just betting on broken dreams. Nobody's gonna come and save us. We cash in too many empty favors, yeah. Now we go on and on with this poor love song we've been working on far too long, baby. Do you still remember when our hearts tuned up spontaneously? On and on like a marathon, we keep running from fighting for something. Something to remind us that we're better than this poor love song.